Hi, for our last video tonight, we are going to look again at 3.2b, which is number relationships. And let's go ahead and read our problem together. It says, the value of the circled digit is blank, the value of the underlined digit. Here are your options. It's either going to be 10 times, or it will be 1/10. When we use the word 10 times, the word in class that we've taught you to think about is that when we multiply something, we're adding the same thing again and again. So you should be thinking of something getting bigger. But the opposite is true for 1/10. That'd be like only eating one little slice of pizza when there's really 10 whole pieces in the box. So this, when we see 1/10, we should automatically think of the word smaller. All right, let's go back to the question. The value of the circled digit, and I'm going to circle it, is blank the value of the underlined digit. It's so very important that you really pay attention to which one they've asked you about first. What comes first in the question? The circled digit, or this one, with a value of only 1, 2, 3 cubes. So I'm going to write that it has a value of 3. So the value of the circled digit, or 3, is blank the value of the underlined digit. Let's look at the underlined digit and count the value. I know already that this is worth 10. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30. So the total value of the underlined digit is worth 30. So let's rewrite it next to the underlined digit. What you've done for yourself in this strategy is you've now been able to take away the confusing circle, underline, all that, and you can just say in your brain, say, is 3 bigger or smaller than 30? You should know that 3 is smaller than 30. So above it, you could write the word smaller in the blank, and then you could write 1/10. 1/10 is our answer that's in the blank because the value of this circle digit 3 is 1/10, or it's smaller than the value of the underlined digit 30. And Mrs. Salceda came to our classroom to try and explain this to us also, and it was really helpful. She had explained that if there's 30 pieces here, and there's only 3 pieces here, this is only 1/10 compared to the 30. As you grow older and you start comparing the relationship between these two numbers, it will get easier and easier. But for now, it's very important that you've memorized that 10 times means the number is getting bigger, 1/10 means that the number is getting smaller. The next strategy, it's very important to see what they're asking about first. If they're asking about the circle digit, find out the value of that circle digit first. Or if they're asking first about an underlined digit, find the value of that first and rewrite it in your problem for yourself. Last but not least, sometimes they like to throw in trick questions or answers to a question that might say it's 7 times bigger, or it's 5 times bigger, or it's 1/5 smaller, or 1/7 smaller, or something like this. You should know that these are never the options that we're going to give you that will be correct. The only 2 options that we're going to give you are either 10 times or 1/10. So really watch out for those mistakes. Okay, for your secret word is solid. So if you come to me and you can say that word, then I will give you a prize. I hope this made sense and that you enjoyed it. Good luck.